Hey there parents, are you looking for a fun, engaging and hands-on activity to do with your kids that will keep them entertained for hours? Well, look no further because today, we have something super exciting for you. Whether it's a rainy day, a weekend, or just a moment when you need a creative break, making slime is the perfect activity. It's not only fun but also a great way to bond with your children and spark their creativity. Today, I'm going to show you how to make perfect slime at home every time. This foolproof recipe is easy to follow and guarantees a fantastic result that your kids will absolutely love. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and the kids will love it. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in a little bit of science while having fun. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. This is a great opportunity to teach your kids about measuring and following instructions. You'll need some white school glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, food coloring, and a bowl for mixing. These are all common household items, so you probably already have them on hand. Got everything? Great. Now let's get started. This is where the fun begins. Start by pouring about 1 cup of glue into your mixing bowl. This will be the base of your slime. If your kiddos love colors, now's the time to add a few drops of food coloring. Let them choose their favorite colors and watch their eyes light up as the glue transforms. Stir it in until you get a nice, even color. This is a great moment to talk about how colors mix and create new shades. It's already looking fun, right? The vibrant colors make the slime even more exciting to play with. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the mix. The baking soda helps to firm up the slime and gives it that perfect stretchy texture. Give it a good stir until it's well combined. This step is crucial for ensuring that your slime has the right consistency. Make sure to mix thoroughly. You want to make sure the baking soda is evenly distributed throughout the glue mixture. Now here's the magic ingredient, contact lens solution. This is what will turn your glue mixture into actual slime. Add about 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution to the bowl. This is where the transformation happens. This is where the slime starts to come together. You'll notice it thickening and becoming more cohesive. Keep stirring, and you'll notice it turning into a goopy, stretchy blob. This is the fun part where you can really see the slime taking shape. If it's too sticky, just add a few more drops of contact lens solution. Adjusting the consistency is key to getting the perfect slime. Once it starts to pull away from the sides of the bowl, it's time to get your hands in there. This is where the real fun begins. Knead the slime with your hands until it's smooth and stretchy. This part is super fun for the kids, so let them take over and enjoy the sensory experience. This part is super fun for the kids, so let them take over. They'll love feeling the slime change texture as they knead it. And there you have it, perfect slime every time. It's stretchy, squishy, and oh so satisfying. It's stretchy, squishy, and oh so satisfying. Your kids will be thrilled with their creation and will want to play with it for hours. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in a little science lesson about polymers while you play. You can explain how the glue and contact lens solution react to form a stretchy substance. Remember, always supervise your kids while they make and play with slime. Safety first, and it's also a great way to spend quality time together. It can get messy, but it's all part of the fun. Embrace the mess and enjoy the process. Enjoy your slime time, and don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below. We love seeing what you come up with. Thanks for watching and happy slime making. We hope you and your kids have a blast with this fun and easy DIY project.